what is JavaScript hosting? So in JavaScript hosting, all our declaration will go to the top. So tell me in JavaScript hosting what happens? All our declaration will go to top. Sir, I didn't understand, sir. Give me one example I can understand. Okay, I will give you one example. You can see here there is a one script I am writing. This is my script. So I will write two things here. One is called declaration. So see this declaration. So declaration means you need to declare something. Something declare means variable I is equal to what? 10. This is called what? Declaration. Declaration only, na? Yes. And after that, I will use this. Document dot write ln of what? I. Tell me what the output will come. 10. Very good sound. Refresh. Yes. Now what I'm going to do, I will remove this. Declaration I'm doing later. Declaration I'm doing later, last. First using, save, refresh. What is coming? Undefined. First is not available now. If value is not available for the variable, what's the output will come? But sir, I didn't understand, sir. You will understand now. Now you will understand. In this example is not having clarity. Now you can understand. See here, first I declare a variable. Then I initialize the value. I am using the variable. Okay, now it's good. Serial wise now. But now what I'm doing, this declaration, I'm keeping at the last. First, initialization. Second, using. Third, declaring. Now tell me, is it valid or invalid? Tell me, valid or invalid? Many people will say invalid, but see here, refresh. What's the output is coming? 10 only. Why? Because JavaScript hosting. So what happens in JavaScript, you know? Automatically, sir, automatically, your declaration will go to the top. Where your declaration will go? Top, automatically. If you do declaration and initialization, it will not go. But only if you do what? All the declaration will go what? Top. So whether you write declaration in the beginning or you write declaration last, or if you write declaration in the middle, no problem, because every declaration will go to the what? Top. This is known as what? JavaScript hosting. One more example I will give you. I am declaring a function. How to declare a function? Function F1. I am declaring something called what here? Document dot write ln. Let's say function F1. Function F1. Then we are going for what here? Calling. How to call? F1. So first declaration, then calling. This is known as declaration only, na? Yes. Sir. Output will come what? Function one. Because first declaration, na sir. I will do reverse. First calling, then declaration. Now tell me what's the output? Function F1 only. See this? Refresh. Refresh. What's the output? Why? Declaration always go to top. So don't ask me, sir, declaration shall I do in the beginning only or what? You do wherever you want. But see the speciality of JavaScript, your declaration will go automatically to the what? Top. This is known as what here? JavaScript hosting. Understood my point here now? Sir, I know definition, I don't know coder. So you will get job, but you will not get salary. Is it okay? Think you people will say that only. You people will come to the mock test. Sir, I know, sir, definition I know, but code I don't know. So please understand, HR will say the same thing. So tell me, if you wear shirt, will not wear pant. Understood my point here, no? So now tell me, will you face that kind of questions? No. So please understand. So we should learn whatever we are speaking, we should prove that one. Then only you completed one question. Sir, I am learning only definitions means you are learning half of question. And you know, one mock test I will take half an hour. I need to check with coding and theory, but you know, too many students are there. So we cannot complete in one day. That's why I'm just taking theory only for you people. But mock test will not be like that. Interview will not be like that. Remember, for one student, they will take half an hour. Think what they will ask in half an hour, 30 minutes. Might be fire one after the other. They will ask you almost 10 to 15 questions they will ask. So tell me, hosting is the what here? Default behavior of JavaScript, where all variable and function declarations are top. Yes, this means that that same thing is there here. The scope can be a what here? Local or global scope. Local or global scope. You can say ask this much, enough. And for variable, I already gave you. Did you understand the first example? Here we are going for initialization, display, declarations. So indirectly it will convert to declaration. Sorry. Posted variable. Then it will go for what here? Console.log also we can use. Document.write-ln also we use. You know now. So this code will convert to right like this, right side. Similarly, what? Otherwise, I will give from the program here. Shortcut now. We will write again and again. This program will convert into like this. Understood, everyone? So this will be converted like this. This is known as what here? JavaScript hosting, we can say.